Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to look at a new airdrop called VeryChat. It's not all that new, but you are still early to this project. So I'm going to walk you through on how to register. If you have not started, look at the link in the video description. Do well to start immediately. Use my referral link so that you can receive your welcome bonus. So what you need to do is just to click on the link. Now you have to download the app. Once you download the app, you set up your name and automatically you will see your interface like this. So how then do you mine? We are here on the home section. If you go to this mining here, you see mining. This is where you mine. Don't allow. So as you can see, I'm just starting. I just started right now. You can see I'm in level 1. I'm in level 1, sorry, and you can see I have 0 friends, so you can as well join. If you have not started, like I said, look at the link in the video description. Let's explore this project together. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, do well to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more updates. You can as well join our WhatsApp group, our Telegram channel for high value updates. So right here, once you click on the mining, you are going to mine for 12 good hours. After every 12 hours, you come back here and you claim your harvest, which is 2.4. Your harvest every 12 hours is 2.4, but you can increase your mining power by inviting your friends or your mining or doing some necessary tasks that I will show you here. So if you go back to the home section, this is another avenue to earn point. You are not mining point, you are mining a coin. You reach the withdrawal threshold, you can automatically withdraw to your Web3 wallet. So once you do the task, up to 50,000 credit daily. Once you have up to 50,000 credit daily, you are going to earn this 1,000 step. That is today's mission. Another thing here is the attendance check. This is the lucky cookie. Once you tap on the attendance check, you are going to be on a daily check. Now let me start from day 1. I'll click on attendance check. You received 1 credit. Enable notification. It is okay. I've received 1 credit. Right now, if I click tomorrow, I'm also going to receive 2. The more you're on a streak, the more you are earning your cookery. So I'm receiving credit for now. When I reach day 5, I'll start collecting cookery. I'll collect 1 cookery. At day 13, I'm collecting 2 cookeries. The more you're on a daily streak, the more cookeries you are going to collect. This is the attendance check. So make sure you are doing your attendance check every day. Turn on the bell notification if you wish. Now you need to watch our tutorial to also earn 10 very. You allow the ad, you watch the ad and you earn 10 cookery. Look at it here. Get credits and VeryCoin. Credits are lucky cookies you get by completing challenges. You can earn coins by watching Very ads. So you watch Very ads to earn coins and harvesting fruit or inviting friends. So next, so forgot 10,000 step, get rewards for 1,000. Now they are telling you what you need to do. Harvest until. Now the next thing, connect your friends around the world. Then stay tuned, this and that. So you have received 10 points, 10 very coins. I have now received 10 very coins. Can you see it? I have received 10 very chat coin, and I've also earned 1 coin which I got from my daily streak. So I'm going to wait for the next harvest. I will harvest it. And just like every other coin, this project also have a marketplace just like Pi that has a market. They have already built their marketplace before they started. So here you can use your coin, your very coin, to purchase something on the marketplace. So here you can use it to purchase your Apple phone, your AirPods, and so many things, and the very note NFT. These ones are coming, just a marketplace. And over here you can see wallet. You need to set up your wallet. Create a wallet, is loading. Create a wallet so that you can easily withdraw. They say Web3 wallet, so it is advisable for you to create your wallet. They say create wallet, every wallet in 5 seconds, so do that at your own convenience. So coming back to here we have channel. These are where you see channel. You can see here we are also, our channel is here, star girl, you need to explore, let's build this thing together. This is our channel here. So this is basically what you need to do. Like I said, I'm just starting, and you can as well join us. So also, for you to make more very coin, you use the lucky draw. This is the lucky draw. Try your luck, you might be lucky. They have the rain, you try your luck. This is as a booster, watch ad, and they have the booster here, 2 hours. Try your luck, you are going to increase your mining speed as well. So that is it for this video. Locate the link in the video description. Thank you guys, see you guys in my next video.